Why do some programmers progress rapidly while others stagnate for years? What enables some people to write code that not only works, but is also readable, efficient, and maintainable? Is programming just about learning new languages, or is there a specific mindset that successful developers understand? In this video, we'll explore 5 key habits of great programmers. These habits go beyond waking up early or being organized. They are skills that directly impact the quality of your code and the speed of your progress. 1. Code readability first. A beginner programmer usually only cares if the program works, but a professional always asks, "Can someone else understand my code?" Great programmers always follow code readability principles, using descriptive names for variables and functions, avoiding long and messy code, commenting only where necessary, following standard formatting. Unreadable code won't just be confusing for others, it will also be incomprehensible to you after a few months. That's why professional programmers prioritize readability. 2. Deep understanding of algorithms and data structures. Many beginner programmers think mastering a language is enough, but without a deep understanding of algorithms and data structures, writing efficient and fast code becomes difficult. Great programmers constantly learn different algorithms, analyze their time complexity, and choose the best approach for solving a problem. For example, if your project requires searching through data, using a simple list might not be the best choice. Instead, a dictionary or search tree could offer much better performance. These small choices can have a huge impact on the speed and efficiency of your program. 3. Test-driven development, TDD. Great programmers never rely on luck. They test their code repeatedly to ensure it works correctly. A professional developer often writes tests before the actual code. This approach, known as test-driven development (TDD), helps create error-free and scalable code. For example, if you're writing a function to calculate factorials, you first create tests that check different inputs such as 0, 1, and large numbers. If your code fails these tests, it means there's an issue that needs fixing. 4. Continuous learning and keeping up with the latest technologies. The programming world is constantly evolving. Professional programmers never limit themselves to a single language or tool. They are always learning. For example, in recent years, AI has significantly impacted programming. Tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT help developers write code faster and more accurately. If you're unfamiliar with these tools, you may fall behind in the competition. Ways to keep learning. Reading official documentation for languages and frameworks. Following up-to-date educational courses. Participating in coding challenges like LeetCode or Codeforces. Reviewing open-source project code to learn new techniques. 5. Using version control and working with Git. In the real world, programming isn't just about writing code, it's also about managing changes. Professional programmers always use version control systems like Git. Git helps you to easily track code changes. Revert to previous versions if you make a mistake. Collaborate on a project without overwriting each other's code. Even for personal projects, it's best to use GitHub or GitLab to track your progress and manage your work efficiently. Now that you know these 5 habits, ask yourself, which of them do you follow in your daily work? Is your code readable? Do you always choose the most efficient algorithm? Do you write tests for your code? If you want to become a professional programmer, it's time to incorporate these habits into your daily routine.